everyone, welcome to my channel dedicated to planning. And today I got some happy mail. My husband ordered some items for me for Mother's Day from Erin, Condren, and I want to open it up with you. So let's dive on into this box and see what he got me. All right. Woo-hoo. All right, so let's see, we've got this. Wow, I got this code here, nice card as well, and some other accessories, back to school collection. So we'll take a look at that. I like that little calculator there. So we'll set that aside and look how cute. All right, so enjoy. I sure will. So we're going to take this tissue paper off. Oh my goodness. This is what I'm talking about. All right, guys. So, yay. He said he had ordered this, the organized Caddy. So this is going to go great on my desk. And it's portable, so that's exactly what I like about this, is the fact that I'll be able to pick it up and take it wherever I need to go, whether upstairs, downstairs. We can do planning inside, out of the house. So thank you for that to my hubby. And then we have another box inside. So I really like their boxes. When I got their warehouse sale, I got a big purple one. Now this is a navy one, so definitely keeping these for storage. And let me grab another pair of scissors to dive on into the box. Okay, so I like these colors. Okay, oh yay, I see pink and flowers. Wow, guys, oh my goodness, how cute. Okay, yay, he got the bag. Okay, this thing needs to, okay, stay. I might have to switch this around here. All right, so I'm doing this on the kitchen bench. But oh my goodness, guys, look how cute. What is this? Metallic. Let's see. Oh, there we go. The Metallic Click Pen Duo. So you got the gold and the silver. So we're definitely gonna have to try these out. And then, yay! The bag, the strips of the straps. I loved this, the bloom style. And look, oh my goodness. Okay, so, and then we got more labels, thank you, and the notebook, yay. So I wanted the notebook for the balloon style. I really use notebooks for my job and just writing down my notes throughout the day. And this was like my favorite cover. I know it's like old school right now since they got new releases, but he also got me the new version. So I'll be able to mix and match, I think. Hold on, I think this is bigger. Yeah, this is bigger. That's okay, because that just means we'll have to buy, this didn't stick. Okay, that just means we'll have to buy another planner or notebook from Erin Condren to use this. And I may already have another notebook that fits this size. So, but either way, I'll get to use this later. And I got my balloon notebook, which I wanted. So cute. I love it. And then, okay, last but not least, so if you can already see, he got the bundle. I think it's a bloom bundle. So I really wanted, especially the bag, like an everyday bag. And then obviously this is gonna fit the planner size. I don't use like big planners, so this should fit perfect. At least all my personal ones, like they're not big. They're not a big size. Okay, so I got the bag unzipped, and you do have to use 2 hands to unzip it. So maybe the more I use it, the better it will get. And then here's the inside. So it's tall and it's not too wide. So cute. And then I opened up the bag with the handles already. So this is, oh my goodness, I love it. So it's so cute. I think this is like leather ends here, very sturdy. I love the gold here, the gold plated, and it's got the logo. So very sturdy canvas and straps here. So let me put it together. All right, so we just click this on here. And again, one-handed is not the easiest, but we did it. And here we go. Ta-da! So super cool. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely gonna sport this. And let's see. It's actually a nice size. Like I said, it's not too big, not too small. And it's got for cell phones, and it's got for wallets. It's even got for your keys in here. And it's got for some change, another zipper inside for change, makeup, pocket, and I guess, I don't know, probably put your pens and some other items in there. And let's put the notebook in here. Perfect. So this fits this size perfect. There is a little room in here to get like a wallet in here. So now I gotta get, I don't know if they have wallets. I gotta check it out, but I like the metal, what is this? The metal button here. This is like a metallic dark gold or bronze here. And then we just click this and it's ready to go. So I love it, guys. I'll take some pictures and model it for you so you can see in everyday life what this looks like. So